Step-by-step process of enterprise web application development. Start by clearly defining the project's objective, the issues it will address, and the specific requirements necessary to achieve business goals. Contact a reputable web app development firm after planning and compiling your project requirements. Consider your specific needs and budget when selecting developers. To choose the right enterprise web development company, close collaboration between your design and business analyst teams is crucial in designing your web app's user interface/user experience, generating prototypes to outline the layout of your application. Develop front-end and back-end. Once the design is done, the team builds the front-end and back-end of your web app, both crucial for bringing your project to life. Don't forget quality assurance. To launch your application successfully, it's important to have it function, secure, and perform well. The quality assurance team will test usability, functionality, and performance issues to ensure that your application works well and meets requirements.